Ever feel like you're working hard but your bank account never grows? You pay your bills, but by month's end, it's all gone. You're stuck on a financial hamster wheel, frustrated, stressed, and getting nowhere. You deserve peace of mind and control over your money. Today, we're breaking down the 3 money habits you must ditch to finally get ahead. No fluff, just practical steps to break free and start winning with money. Let's dive in. The first habit, living paycheck to paycheck, is more common than you might think. It's a cycle that traps millions of people, no matter how much they earn. Every month your paycheck arrives, but before you know it, the money is gone, spent on bills, groceries, and unexpected expenses. There's never anything left over, and it feels like you're always one step behind. Your income comes in and goes right back out, leaving you one emergency away from disaster. A flat tire, a medical bill, or even a higher than expected utility bill can throw your entire month into chaos. The stress builds up, and you start to dread checking your bank account knowing there's no safety net. You can't plan for the future or save for anything meaningful because you're just trying to survive. The idea of saving for a vacation, a new car, or even retirement feels impossible when you're just trying to make it to the next payday. It's exhausting and it can feel hopeless. The fix? Build a $1,000 starter emergency fund fast. This isn't just a random number, it's a small but powerful cushion that can protect you from life's little disasters. It's your first line of defense against the unexpected. Sell unused stuff, pick up extra hours, do whatever it takes to hit that goal. Look around your home for things you no longer need. Old electronics, clothes, or furniture. Take on a side gig or ask for extra shifts at work. Every dollar you save brings you closer to peace of mind. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about creating a buffer between you and life's surprises. Even a small emergency fund can turn a crisis into a minor inconvenience. It gives you breathing room and helps you break the cycle of stress and anxiety. Once you have that fund, you'll feel real relief and control for the first time. You'll sleep better at night knowing you're not just one mishap away from financial disaster. That sense of security is priceless. Make this your top priority. Write it down, tell someone, and don't stop until it's done. Share your goal with a friend or family member for accountability, and celebrate every milestone along the way. This is your first step off the hamster wheel. It's the beginning of a new chapter where you're in control, not your bills or your circumstances. Start today and take that first step toward financial freedom. The second habit quietly sabotaging your financial progress is one that's easy to overlook, but it can have a huge impact on your future. It's ignoring where your money actually goes day after day. Every time you swipe your card or tap your phone, those little purchases can seem harmless. But over time, they add up, sometimes to hundreds, even thousands of dollars spent on things you barely remember buying. If you don't pay attention, it's easy to lose track and wonder where your paycheck disappeared. You can't control your money if you don't know where it's going. So here's a challenge. For the next 30 days, write down every single expense. It doesn't matter if it's a coffee, a snack, or a subscription. Record it all. Use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or a free budgeting app on your phone. At the end of the month, sit down and review your spending. Look at your receipts, your bank statements, and your notes. You'll start to notice patterns. Maybe you're spending more on takeout than you realized, or those small online purchases are adding up fast. This awareness is powerful. This is the foundation of building a budget, telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. It's about making intentional choices, not just reacting at the end of the month. Remember, a budget isn't about restriction. It's about creating a plan for your freedom, your goals, and your peace of mind. It puts you in the driver's seat. Start tracking your spending today. Take back your power and watch how quickly your financial confidence grows. The third habit that can quietly sabotage your financial health is relying on credit cards for everyday spending. It might seem harmless to swipe your card for groceries, coffee, or even a quick lunch, but these small purchases add up quickly. Credit cards are designed to make spending feel effortless. With rewards programs and the convenience of not carrying cash, it's easy to lose track of how much you're actually spending. Before you know it, you've spent more than you intended, and the balance on your card keeps growing. The real danger comes when you can't pay off your balance in full. Suddenly, you're paying interest on last month's groceries, coffee runs, and even that impulse buy you barely remember. High interest rates mean your debt grows faster than you realize, making it harder to catch up. The solution? Make a conscious choice to use cash or a debit card for your everyday purchases. When you pay with your own money, you're more aware of what you're spending and it's easier to stick to your budget. Try this challenge. Take your credit cards out of your wallet for 30 days. Leave them at home and see how it changes your spending habits. You might be surprised at how much more intentional you become with your money. Without the safety net of credit, you'll think twice before making a purchase. You'll start to prioritize what you really need versus what you simply want, and you'll naturally begin to live within your means. Every dollar you save on interest is a dollar you can put toward your goals. Whether that's building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or investing in your future. Stop making the banks rich with your hard-earned money. Instead, pay yourself first and watch your savings grow. By breaking the habit of relying on credit for everyday purchases, you take back control of your finances and your future. There you have it. Ditch these 3 habits and start building real financial security. Build your emergency fund, track your spending, and use your own money. It won't be easy, but you're capable of change. Drop a comment below. Which habit will you break first? Your story could inspire someone else, like subscribe and turn on captions for more simple money tips. Thanks for watching.